Today I will tell you how to use Shape Builder tool. Okay, let's go. First open your Illustrator. Now make a new page whose color is 0A0A1A. First I show you some preview about the image which I will make. Today I will make this type of image with Shape Builder tool. Okay, let's go. We have to start the work. Now click on rectangle tool and choose the ellipse tool. Here choose the color 1856A0. Now change this to stroke. Now fill the color empty. Now make a small circle. Now fill the color below this one. Now press Alt, choose the selection tool, press Alt and drag it to right side. After doing that, select the selection tool and select these both circles. Now choose this Shape Builder tool. Now move this stroke to empty stroke to fill on the right side. We have to empty the fill color. Here you can see that. Now move this Shape Builder tool from right side to left side. After doing that, select this moon and place it here. Now delete the extra part by selecting the selection tool. Here select this extra part and go to edit and clear. Now guys, choose our ellipse tool and make another small ellipse. And fill it color to below and its stroke color empty. You can see that. Now guys, choose the selection tool and press Alt and move it to right side. Here. Now press Alt again and move it to upper side. Here on the top. Place it here. Now guys, select these three circles. Empty. Change the color to empty. Now guys, we have to fill the color blue. Select this and fill the color blue. You can see that it looks like a tree. Now choose the rectangle tool and make a small rectangle here. Now fit it here. Now choose the rectangle tool and make this small box. Move it with selection tool and place it here. Now guys, select this direct selection tool and move it to the left side. And so move it to the left side. It looks like a plant. Now guys, right click here and click on group. Guys, select the selection tool and decrease its size. And place it here. So it is like this and move it here. After doing that, guys, make a line here, small line, Now choose the ellipse tool and make small circle. Now guys, change its stroke to empty. Sorry, its fill color to empty and its stroke to blue color. Now increase the stroke to 5%, 10%. After doing that, press Alt and make another circle here and increase the size. Now guys, select this first circle and press Alt and move it to right side. Now again press Alt, again, and guys once time again. Now guys, select this all. Now guys, click on the view here and go to outline. Now move it to right place here. Also move it here. After doing that, go to view and GPU preview. Now move the circle to upward. Also move to upward. Now select the whole image, with the tool, and select this one. So yeah, it's look like a cloud. Now guys, right click here and go to groups. Click on the groups. After making that, guys, place it here. Guys, we have to select this image and now we have to fill its color to blue. 185680. Here, it's looking good, guys. Now we have to make an beautiful house. Select this image and place it here. Now guys, choose this rectangle tool and make this rectangle here. Also, now make another rectangle from here. Increase the size equal to it. After doing that, guys, choose the pen tool now. Click here once time and click here. After doing that, select colors to this one and change the stroke to empty here. After doing that, guys, also change the stroke to empty. Move it in place here. Now guys, let's fit it here. After doing that, first select the selection tool and select the whole image and move it to down here. After moving it, select the pen tool, first time click here, first time here, and first time here, and first time here. After doing that, we have to fill its color to choose the eyedropper and fill its color here. Now it's looking like a house. Now guys, make a rectangle tool and draw a small box here. Also draw a door here. After drawing that, you have to fit it center here. It's looking good. Yes, we have to select this full image. Select this full image. Now the choose the shape builder tool and move it on the door, and also change its fill color to empty on the door and on this window. You can see that it's cutted the part. Now guys, select this whole image, decrease the size, move it to up here. Also decrease the size. Now place it in the center. After placing that, guys, make another rectangle here. Fill the color. Choose the eyedropper and fill the color blue. After doing that, guys, select this and change the stroke color to this one, and decrease the stroke 10% to 6%. First select this and give it stroke to this color. Now increase the stroke to 4%. Now it's looking good. Guys, first select this plant and place it here. Decrease the size. After doing that, select this house. The selection tool and move it to left side. Now select the plant tool, place it here. Now again select the plant tool and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Make its copy. Format CMDC and CMDB. Now decrease the size. And place it here. Now select this cloud and decrease the size. Now move this moon to right side. Also decrease the size. After doing that, now choose this cloud here and place it here. After placing that, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to make the copy of this cloud. After making this copy, move it to here. Now press Ctrl C and Ctrl V again and decrease the size. Now press Ctrl V again and decrease the size. Place it here. Now guys, you can see that our design is ready. I hope you learn the function of the shape builder tool.
If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel.